I just wanna run, hide it away, run because they're chasing me down. I just wanna run, throw it away, run before they're finding me out. I just wanna run. 现在我跟丫丫在去开飞机的巴士上面，这个司机说我们过去大概15分钟就可以开。
Pretty fun ride. I think you're going to really enjoy it today. So the plane you guys are going to get to fly today is the Extra 330 LC. Pretty amazing airplane. So that is an option if you were interested in that. We usually do that for $4.99. This time of year we do it for $2.99 just because it is our super.
看一下，
现在要选名字，还有这个 Candy， 就它吧。
贴上 Candy。
这样我觉得 Candice， 但是 Candy 也可以。 对，裤子拉链上面。
这连体衣看起来不错哎。啊，你在干嘛？马上要上天了，刚刚教练跟我说了一下，然后我们要过去了。这是我今天要飞的小黄，很紧张，带了一个有 Candy 的名字的标签，然后现在马上要上去了，我现在非常的紧张。 非常的害怕。小黄，你要带我好一点。这也不是战斗机，反正就是飞机。我的天！
Tie it in a knot and you're good, okay? But let me know so I know so we're not doing more stuff. Hold it right there.
Yeah.
Alright, now put your hands here and you're going to lower yourself down and your feet go forward as you go down. Just like that. That's it. Yeah. If you get hot, air, turn this and up. Hold it close. So the higher we are, the faster we're going, the stick's going to be moving around here, okay? Alright, you excited? You want Rick, R-I-C-K, yeah? Okay, Rick. Take forever to adjust.
现在马上就要起飞了，你有什么最后想交代我的话？
妈妈我爱你，关哥我爱你。
You said you're gonna push me out? Okay.
Okay.
超卡密码是
好的。
起飞啦！稍稍的战斗机体验。我的脸。 because they're chasing me down. I just wanna run, throw it away.
She crushed it. Everyone over.
Nice. Sweet.
There was a lot of screaming.
That's awesome. That's the best video.
Most of it was me, though.
Ah! Okay, okay.
All right. Part of the whole flight. Your leg work?
No.
No? All right, follow me down the wing this way.
我脚要软了。
I'm going to use my shoulder and the strap here to get you down.
I guess you liked it, huh?
No, no, no.
We went pretty hard. We just linked it.
Well done. I love it. No.
How many times do you do like
All day. All day. Yeah, I'm going to go up here in about 2 more minutes and do it all over again.
And you see they added people before too.
Really?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
他是怎么做到的？而且我今天还来着大姨妈，我觉得我大姨妈要到了。跟你的小黄说声再见吧。再见，我加油！
Those at home, they're going to work on your video, okay? And you'll be leaving with it today.
Forces or G's are the measure of acceleration's effect on mass. Let's see how I feel when those G's.
我已经开完了，我现在已经开完了很久了，因为刚刚吐了好几次。
休息了半个小时吧，现在才会。
我快要死过去了，我觉得这一辈子不会有下一次了。虽然这应该不叫战斗机，但是不会有下一次了。再见，我觉得这个真的不适合人类开，因为它一直在上面360度各种转，然后我下来就吐了。现在好一点点了，再见，再也不见。
It's fun. It's great fun.
Really?
Did you have a good time?
Not at all. Yeah.
So why'd you come if you had a feeling it would be that way?
It's a dare.
Nice, nice.
Nice.
Well, you survived it.
Uh-huh.